make a 1 1/4 inch zipper pull, you need shell, a graphic, Mylar, Colette, Versabac, and a zipper pull. So we'll start with the pickup die facing us. Insert the shell into the pickup die, smooth side up. Put the graphic on top of the shell. The Mylar goes on top of the graphic. Rotate the die table around. Insert the Colette into the crimp die, sharp side up. Pull the handle all the way down. Rotate, pull the handle back up. Rotate the die table around. Pull the handle down a second time. Pull the handle back up. Remove the button from the machine. Snap in the Versabac and attach the zipper pull.